Today's power steering systems have become so reliable that it's easy to forget that over time, the power steering fluid breaks down and requires regular maintenance. Like any other oil, power steering fluid degrades due to extreme heat, pressure, and contamination. When exposed to heat and extreme pressure, fluid additives and detergents lose their ability to protect and lubricate the system. Internal components can become coated with sludge and be damaged by metal particles and moisture. This condition can lead to annoying squeals, premature wear, leaks, and erratic steering. Ignoring these problems may lead to mechanical failure and costly repairs. Problems include whining or squealing after a cold start, poor handling and sluggish or choppy steering, leaks in the lines and connections. An experienced technician using a specially designed fluid exchanger will extract old fluid and deposits from the power steering rack, pump, lines, and reservoir. Simultaneously, power steering fluid is pumped into the system to restore lubrication and help extend component life. To complete the service, Power Steering Supplement is added to fortify the new fluid, condition seals, and help reduce wear on internal components. Benefits include enhanced resistance to breakdown due to extreme heat, shearing, and system pressure. Seals and lines are conditioned to prevent cracks and leaks. It helps extend system life by reducing wear on internal components and helps reduce squeals and chatter due to power steering fluid foaming. Ask your service provider if your vehicle would benefit from a power steering fluid exchange service today.